Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we will talk about IELTS speaking. In this video we will talk about the official Cambridge test part 1, and in this video we will specifically talk about the questions in part 1. So part 1 asks you about your school days. So questions were, tell me something about your secondary school. Which subjects did you find most difficult? Do you ever need that subject now? And what did you enjoy about being a school student? So let's begin. So the first question is, tell me something about your secondary school. So in this question, the examiner is asking you about your school days. So how were your school days? What kind of school it was? And how many buildings did it have? And other features. So you can say that my secondary school had two buildings, one for the primary school students and the other for the secondary school pupils. It was a very big school and had a large ground on which we practiced our sports. I had a really good time at my school and I enjoyed a lot of activities. I was taught by wonderful teachers who taught me a lot of subjects such as physics, maths, science. I also made many friends, and they are still my friends after I have passed my school. It was a golden period of my life, and I can never forget that. So, let's go to the second question. Which subject did you find most difficult at school and why? So, this question is asking you about the most difficult subject. You can say science, maths, English, geography, or history. You can basically talk about the most difficult subject that you faced, or you could talk about a subject that you know about. Certain subjects, with certain subjects, students don't basically understand the difficulty part. They just think that they are not getting the marks. So let's begin with the answer. The subject that I thought was the most difficult was mathematics for me. It involved a lot of formulas and it was something that I did not enjoy. The most difficult part of mathematics was trigonometry. Basically, it dealt with functions of angles and their applications. I had to learn a lot of things which at that time I didn't find useful and I still do not find it. I feel that it's more of an inconvenience to me. Okay, let's move on to the third question. Do you ever need that subject now? Fortunately, I do not need that subject as I'm currently studying English for IELTS because I want to go to a foreign university for further studies. Also, I would not be choosing any subject that would be related to mathematics as I want to pursue a career in carpentry, which does not involve a lot of mathematics. Okay, let's move on to the fourth question. What did you enjoy about being a school student? So, in this question, you can talk about drawing, or talking and playing with friends, or studying your favorite subjects. So, there could be many answers. For example, there are many things that I enjoyed during my school days. I enjoyed studying, talking with friends, as well as building rapport with my teachers. I got involved in new activities and learned guitar, as well as I performed exceptionally well in quiz contests as well as group discussions. I earned a lot of medals for my school by winning these competitions. So, this is the first part of this speaking. We shall continue in the next video and we will talk about buildings. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button